Hello, good morning, everyone. So our topic this morning it's about how to insert records in the database using MySQL Server. Okay, so first is we need to click the WAM server icon in the taskbars, then go to MySQL console. Then, so since there's no password set in the MySQL command line, so all we have to do is to click enter. Okay, so show databases. So this is the standard SQL syntax to display all the databases available in the WAM server. So next is connect to database name. So our database name is CCS underscore 630 underscore test. Then enter. Then next is, so if it is successfully connected to the database, so the MySQL command console is provide a connection ID. The next is show tables. So it shows about what are the tables inside in the database. So the table name is customer, so this which means to describe the customer's table. Okay, so here in the customers table, so there are, I think, customer ID, first name, last name, middle name, straight name, city, country, postcode, phone number, then job title. So this is the variables being used inside customers table. So next is to select asterisk from customers. So the purpose of this is to display or to retrieve the information inside the table. Okay, so there is an information inside the table. So all we have to do is to insert another record from this table. So insert into customers values. Okay, so 102, then single quotation mark for first names, example Shine, then last name quotation mark legal. Okay, then next is middle name. Now next is street name. So example is Lawaan one. Next is city. So example Talisay City. Talisay City. Next is country. So Philippines. Then next is the postcode. So postcode is no need to put the quotation mark. Okay, so all we have to do is to write 6045, 6045. Next is phone number 090897690049. This is just only an example. Then next is title. Okay, so we should have to put the quotation mark since it is a string. So student. Then in the end of statement is a semicolon. Then press enter. Okay, so successfully inserted our data. So select. So select asterisk from customers and enter. Okay, so it is successfully inserted inside the database. Okay, so that's all for this morning. So it is about on how to insert records directly to the database. So that's all for this morning. So thank you for watching this video.